Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, we're going to talk about the metal cage for the Kandao QooCam 8K. This design is very unique, and for me, myself, I'm also involved in the design from very beginning, and this design would finish in April 2020. And from now on, I think it's time for me to share with you the unique design and the story behind the scenes. So now let's get started. Okay, first let's talk about the composition for the QooCam 8K metal cage. It consists of different accessories. This is a QooCam 8K metal frame, the main frame with aluminum and anodized surface with black color. And this is actually a quarter-inch mount to cold shoe mount adapter. And this is a GoPro adapter with Ulanzi's patent GoPro mount anti-twist mechanism. Actually, this metal cage was co-designed with Ulanzi, and I was involved from the very beginning of the design. I have also participated in the mechanic design and test. And next up, let's take a look at the main frame. Take from the outside to the inside. When outside, you can see that it has a symmetrical cold shoe mount on the left and the right. Symmetrical design, perfectly symmetrical design. And right in the symmetrical axis, we have a quarter-inch mount with two holes on the left and right, which you can assemble the anti-twist GoPro mount to the bottom. And for this quarter-inch mount, you can also add this a quarter-inch mount to the cold shoe mount adapter, so that you will end up with 3 cold shoe mounts on the QooCam 8K, right? We have a symmetrical 2 cold shoe mount on the left and right, and 1 on the bottom. You can put a wireless microphone system in this direction so that it will be invisible in the final shot. An invisible microphone, lavalier microphone system like this, so that this microphone adapter will be invisible in the final shot. On the left of the cold shoe mount, you also have a quarter-inch mount drill in the left part of the cold shoe mount, so that you can put your invisible selfie stick like this, and you can vlog with camera. Actually, when you use the camera horizontally, not only you can take the advantage of this 8K resolution, but the screen on the camera body was doubled as the screen for you to vlog better for yourself. At that composition, you can put your wireless microphone system on the bottom of the camera, and that will be invisible in the final shot. All around, we have at most 3 cold shoe mounts. Next, let's take a look at how can we assemble the QooCam 8K camera right inside the metal frame. Just put the camera like this inside this metal cage and screw it up, tighten it up, and we are done. And it's very robust and it's anti-twist. You don't have to worry about the QooCam will fall out, because when you take a very close look at the interior part of that metal cage, you can see that the surface of the inner space is curvature, right? It's not a flat surface. It is just like the frame of the QooCam 8K. Actually, for the QooCam 8K, if you take a very close look at the frame of the camera, you can see that it is not flat. It's not flat. It has a very beautiful industrial design with curvature on the frame. Inner surface of the metal cage fits exactly, very precise with the QooCam 8K. So when you directly put the camera onto that part, it will screw up and it will hold the camera very tight in the frame. And if you take a closer look at the frame, you can see that the frame does not block the wind tunnel. The wind, we have fans inside the QooCam 8K, and it will not interfere with any operation for the camera. You can put the SD card, and you can charge. You can put a 3.5 microphone jack without any mechanical interference. And even for the microphone, you can see that there is a slot that has no interference with that. And for the upper part of the metal cage, you can see that it is narrower than the bottom part, because we don't want the QooCam 8K to capture any pixel of the metal cage. So we make it narrower on the upper part and put it stronger on the bottom part, but altogether it is very robust and very strong. Another interesting design is that when you look at the top of the frame, you can see that it's a hole on the top of the surface. That is because for the QooCam 8K, the sound, the microphone is actually on the top of the camera. If you take a closer look at the top, you can see there's a hole very small on the top of the camera. So when you vlog without external microphone, every sound will come from this microphone. So we don't want a metal frame to block the microphone input for the camera. Every part of the frame is very well designed, and every pixel was actually taken into account. It's really a pity that it will not release the market, but on this metal cage we have many excellent design and ideas, and in this video I would like to share all of them to you and let you know what we have accomplished with Ulanzi and what we have accomplished with the Kandao QooCam 8K. And the other imagination for the camera is that I designed this metal cage simply because I want to make the most of the camera and I want to take the full advantage of the SuperVlog. Actually, the SuperVlog was under development back in April 2020. And when I was holding the QooCam maker in my hand, I was thinking about if I could use that horizontally, because it has a 2.4 inch 16:9. It's a very good screen on the surface. And if you vlog like this, you can record yourself with this lens, and this screen will be your vlogging screen. You can put the microphone on the bottom of the part, and the microphone system will not be visible. Or even you use a shotgun microphone, because it's very far from the lens, so for the final result it will be very good. And you can also rotate anything on the screen, so even if you are holding the camera horizontally, you can still see yourself correct in this touch screen. Anyway, with the feature of SuperVlog, you can see that this cage should be amazing, right? And in my future video, I will share with you more example with the SuperVlog, the invisible microphone setup, and anything else with the SuperVlog. Maybe I will take the advantage of my private QooCam making metal cage. But anyway, I'd like to share with you my happiness in the design and engineer for this metal cage. And I also want to thank Ulanzi for co-engineered, co-design with me, specifically on the QooCam 8K. Even if this product does not release to the market, but Ulanzi does have a very quick reaction to the market. And in my upcoming video, I may share with you a new product also co-engineered with Ulanzi. And there are many secrets inside this metal cage. I won't let you see all of them until you will see that secret in my new video. So yeah, until next time, bye.